Good morning, everyone. 2023 has been an interesting year. Government orchestrated economic slowdown and Silicon Valley orchestrated technology innovations both played out together. Companies must be cautious of their spend, but also had to take advantage of the AI-led innovation both for improving productivity and create new sources of revenue. The impact was felt the most among mid-market companies, which are trying to get their cost in control and yet compete with the large companies with deep pockets, as well as compete with more nimble startups. Automation was one of the key categories that got redefined last year. A relatively new technology such as RPA has become legacy technology. AI got infused across the automation value chain, starting from process and task mining, document processing, RPA, and low code has become no code with the advent of generative AI. A completely new category got added to the automation value chain with the generation of text, audio, video content, as well as software code. This is made possible for automation to play a role not just in traditional processes such as order to cash or hire to retire, but also in the entire sales and marketing workflows. The intersection of mid-market and automation is fascinating, and we expect it to be a hotbed of automation innovation. Mid-market enterprises positioned between nimble startups and large corporations form a critical segment of the global economy. With over 2 million such enterprises, their collective contribution is around $5 trillion in economic impact. They are expected to generate more than 250 million jobs by 2030. These enterprises are not just significant contributors to global employment, they are also at the forefront of introducing innovative products and services. Most of the firms are privately held, and leadership of these firms have the ambition to grow and scale their businesses. Mid-market enterprises face a unique set of challenges that makes adoption of intelligent automation crucial and yet complex. One of the toughest challenges faced by mid-market companies is the access to high-quality expert talent. Large companies can provide career growth and stability for such talent, and nimble startups provide them an opportunity to build new business as well as equity. Access to capital is tougher for mid-market companies. They rely on the traditional source of funds, such as bank loans, and don't have access to private credit or venture capital funds that is focused on fast-growing startups. They have to balance cash flow and investment. They also operate in highly competitive market and often in markets that are fragmented. They find it difficult and expensive to get new customers. It is important for them to build a loyal set of customers and provide them great customer experience while focused on operational efficiency. Running a mid-market enterprise is a challenge. The next phase of automation provides natural advantage to mid-market firms and addresses several of the challenges. Autonomous workflows represent a leap forward from traditional automation. Traditional automation focuses on automation of specific tasks within the workflow, and the automation linking the tasks were also often hardwired. Any change to the process requires an update to the automation system. Traditional automation also requires supervision and oversight to manage exceptions in the workflows. Autonomous workflows are intelligent and not only automate the workflow, but manage exceptions and have expert-level decision-making capabilities. Autonomous workflows continuously learn the business context and able to optimize the workflow for both efficiency and experience, be it employee experience, partner experience, or customer experience. To illustrate the power of autonomous workflow, let's consider a practical example: invoice processing. Traditional automated workflows in this domain are limited in scope, requiring human intervention for exception handling. But with the integration of generative AI, the entire procure-to-pay process can be automated, covering a broad range of tasks and decisions. In case of invoice processing, traditional automation will only involve automating the data capture, invoice matching, and invoice approval process. While these decisions will be data-driven, these workflows still require human interventions for exception handling and execution. On the other hand, in case of autonomous workflows, not only the invoice processing is getting automated, but the entire procure-to-pay value chain it gets automated. Includes process steps such as vendor selection, working capital management, and document generation. A real-world example of mid-market enterprises embracing intelligent automation 2.0 is Six Flags, a prominent American amusement park. They have adeptly integrated autonomous workflows into their business using Google Cloud's Vertex AI conversation. This implementation includes a virtual assistant that leverages AI to provide visitors with personalized recommendations and resolve queries autonomously. The results are striking: a superior customer experience with less human involvement, allowing staff to focus on entertainment and enhancing visitor engagement. Furthermore, this strategic adoption of intelligent automation 2.0 has led to more efficient resource allocation, both in frontline and backline operations, optimizing overall cost and reducing errors. The agility of mid-market enterprises make them uniquely suited for adopting intelligent automation 2.0. Unlike large corporations, they are less encumbered by bureaucratic process, enabling them to adapt to newer technology rapidly. They don't have a lot of complex legacy system that requires deep system integration efforts to deploy intelligent automation. The organizational structures are simple with lesser number of matrix reporting. This ensures that there is clear accountability and there is fostering of innovation across all levels with a readiness to take calculated risk. This inherent flexibility and agility place mid-market companies in an ideal position to leverage intelligent automation 2.0 for the growth and competitive advantage. However, adopting intelligent automation 2.0 is not without challenges for mid-market enterprises. Limited specialized expertise, a small vendor ecosystem, and low technology literacy can steepen the learning curve. Anticipating short-term ROI from substantial investments in intelligent automation 2.0 is another significant hurdle. Additionally, with expected cuts in IT budgets, companies with limited operating bandwidth may find implementing these initiatives challenging. Furthermore, weak governance structures in some mid-market enterprises increase their vulnerability to cybersecurity threats and data privacy breaches. These challenges must be strategically addressed to harness the full potential of intelligent automation 2.0. Overcoming these challenges require partnering with the right vendor, one who offers a blend of technology expertise and deep understanding of mid-market needs. The ideal vendor should provide or have the right partnership to provide consultative capabilities for seamless integration and implementation of solutions. Understand the specific requirements, building the business case, getting buy-in from the stakeholders, and driving change management all are critical for success of intelligent automation initiatives. Software vendors should also have end-to-end automation stack. This is essential in eliminating the need for multiple vendors as it will increase the complexity of execution. Software vendors who have horizontal or vertical solutions or partners who have such solutions is important. This will reduce the one-time development and customization costs and accelerate time to value. Finally, a robust customer success program is critical to elevate the post-implementation customer experience. With such a vendor, mid-market enterprise is well equipped to embark on a transformational digital journey. Leadership at mid-market companies now have an opportunity to adopt intelligent automation that will make them a lot nimbler as well as provide the ability to compete with large companies. The ROI for intelligent automation will come just from the cost savings and efficiency improvements. However, the biggest benefit is a sea change in the experience of the employees, partners, and customers, and that will help them drive revenue growth. Thank you.